Important opinion, the startup space may soon see a virtual explosion. That's the word coming in from Mahindra Group Chairman Anand Mahindra, who also believes that the startup bubble may burst soon. Yet Anand Mahindra is all set to invest heavily into the space. CNBC TV 18's Priya Sheth caught him on the sidelines of the entrepreneurship event with the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge in their India visit. Here's a slice of that exclusive conversation.
I think if I use the adjective explosion, I would not be hyping it up. We haven't seen anything yet. There's already a lot of talk about the bubble burst. Levels, both in quality and quantity anywhere in the world. So I see a virtual explosion in entrepreneurship.
Right, in terms of Smart Shift, that's been a very interesting initiative by you. What is in the offing and how do you see this shaping up going ahead?
Well, the lady who's been put in charge of Smart Shift is right here. You should talk to her. We are very excited because, in a sense, it's come from a business which we understand. It was born in our automotive business from the commercial vehicle segment. So the big advantage of large companies is that because of the number of businesses they're in and the number of intersection points they have with the public and with different kinds of businesses, we, as large businesses, are in a better position to cite opportunities first. We sense the pain points of customers first. The question is what to do about it. In the old days, we would only try and do them organically. What we are doing now is, when we are finding that even a business like Smart Shift might be intrinsically against our core business, because using it would mean less sales of CVs. But if we see opportunity, we are using the startup culture and ecosystem to spin them off and to start new businesses. That's what I find exciting.
You're also looking at 2 more startups, I believe. Can you run us through where those stand and when can we expect you to launch those?
Well, actually, there are many more than 2. And I'm afraid I'm not sure where they are in terms of disclosing their competitive intent. So I better shut up right now rather than divulge more than I should. But there are many more than 2 that we are looking at.
Any investment that you've pointed out as far as the startup is concerned?
We are making investments all the time, and we have a private equity division inside called Mahindra Partners, through which we channel them. But again, we are not disclosing the amounts yet.
All right, that was Anand Mahindra talking about